Yeah,
Never skip
me
a
too.
TikTok boss video.
I went to the river. What's the river called?
No,
What
I
is-
have river around my backyard, you know.
No, what's the river called in Jamaica where everyone goes and they
Duns
barbecue?
River Fall. Duns River Fall.
I went
See,
there
baby,
too.
I got you. I can tell you anything you need to know. What's going on in Jamaica, I can tell you, baby. I travel a lot, you know.
Okay, what was the strip club called in Jamaica?
Dubai, round a back road.
No, that's not what it's called. Guys, what's the strip club? Taboo. Taboo.
Taboo. Yeah, taboo.
You don't even
Yeah.
know. You don't
No,
even
I
know
know
the
it. I know it,
spots. You
girl.
don't
It was the first thing
know.
I should said. I know it's taboo.
You didn't go to all the spots. You don't
Yeah,
know.
come on now. Ella, believe me, I go to all the spots.
Wait, and what's the club? Guys, what's the club called? Guys, one more rose. What's the club called that everyone goes to? The really like famous club.
Taboo.
No way, aviation. Mecca. Mecca.
Mecca. Yeah, Mecca, Mecca. Yeah, Ella. Sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm a bit nerve shaking now. No, I'm a bit nerve shaking now. I'm a little nervous.
You don't know any of the places.
No, I am so sorry. No, I know it's Mecca.
Yeah, Mecca. I went to Mecca. It was
No,
so
we could go to Mecca, you know, when you come back to Jamaica. Ella, follow me so I can follow you. I need to talk to you off here. You really seems nice. I like you.
Okay, thanks. Guys, doubles.
You have pretty teeth. No, for real, baby, you should
fake.
smile often.
They're fake. Guys, doubles.
You're fake?
Yes. Snipe.
I saw my feel boy your ass too. Like it fake. What you do? Get your BBL done?
No, I
Chat,
don't.
pause.
I don't like that type of body. I'm very slim. I like
Yeah, me not think you should have ever prove to do that. Cause you look
I
good
like
natural.
a very like slim type of body. Like, see, I have abs. Aviation.
Of course, me see somebody happy for somebody when them get gift. I me get the gift, you know. And you, you know. I me the person just send the gift.
And
You see
aviation.
that jump up.
Aviation sent me too. Guys, can we snipe him since he wants to talk?
Chat, they're gonna something.
Aviation, can you please drop your glove last 30 seconds? And can we try to
Yeah,
snipe
chat,
this
drop
guy?
the gloves on 30.
Like, sir, I know Jamaica better than you know Jamaica. Like, what's going on? And he wants me to come to Jamaica so he could show me around. I need
Definitely.
to come to Jamaica and show you around.
No, this is my hometown. I'm from Jamaica.
Are you?
I'm a yardie. I'm not a Yankee.
A yachty boy.
Yachty boy.
A bati. No, I'm sorry.
Hey, don't pass your place in a miss. Ella, don't think I'm laughing. What's joke for you is dead to our next man. You can't come over here. Ella, me I go away. I really don't want disrespect you
Don't
today.
go, don't go, don't
No, I'm going away. That's very disrespectful. I
thought that
can't
means
stay.
happy.
I'm not playing with you.
I thought that means happy. Happy.
I'm not playing.
Doesn't
I'm
that
not playing with you.
Does that
I'm
mean
not
happy?
playing with you, Ella. I'm not playing with you, Ella. This is the last match I'm going to play with you, Ella. You should not. Chat, she go away. Chat, you see how people stay? She has said me enough to go away and she end up go away. Now who look like shit? Eh? Eh? Who look like fool now? Eh? I go, me should have go away now. Yo, John no star.